Welcome to my channel Compconnection. After watching this video, please leave a comment and subscribe my channel. With Transpose feature in Excel, we can quickly rotate the data from column to rows and rows to column. We have some ready-made data and we want to rotate rows and columns. Firstly, select the range of data and press Ctrl+C to copy the data range. Choose a new location. To get the transpose option, click on Paste. After placing the mouse pointer on it, the result appears. Now, click on it. In the new table, we find that the rows and columns interchange their position. In our old table, there are formula and Excel automatically updates them to match the new placement. After rotating the data successfully, we can delete the original table and the data in the new table will remain intact. Now I delete our new table to demonstrate another way to paste transpose data. Select the range of data and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. Right-click in the new location and a drop-down menu appears. Place the mouse pointer on the transpose option. Click on it. Let's proceed towards the third method. By the help of shortcut keys, we can rotate the data. We follow the same method to select and copy the data. Press Ctrl+Alt+V to invoke the Paste Special dialog box. We can click on the transpose to select it or press E to select. Click on OK. Now we demonstrate another example of transpose. Here we can copy a single data from a large amount of data. Suppose you want to prepare a payslip of a certain employee in portrait orientation from this large amount of data. Simply select the headings. Now press Ctrl key only Ctrl key, and select the data of the employee with your mouse and press Ctrl+C. Open a new sheet in the same workbook. Place the mouse pointer to a new location. Click Paste folder, choose Transpose. But I do not click on it because I use shortcut keys. Press Ctrl+Alt+V to invoke the Paste Special dialog box. Press E and then press Enter button. I hope this will help all the Excel users in their real life. Here we use Transpose Formula. First, select the range. Observe carefully the number of rows and columns. It appears to the extreme left to the name box. Then choose a new location and select the same number of rows and columns. Then enter the formula equal to transpose. Select the range. Press Ctrl+Shift+Enter. You cannot delete 0 or any other value because it is an array. Now we change the array into values. Select the new table if it is not already selected. Press Ctrl C to copy it and click on paste, choose value. Now you can delete 0 or any other value or full table. Now we demonstrate Transpose Magic. Select the range of the table. Copy the table by pressing Ctrl plus C. Select a new cell. Press Alt plus Ctrl plus Alt plus B for paste spatial. Click on paste link. Select the range if it is not already selected and click on replace button and replace all. Find what? Here we press equal sign and in the replace we press YYY or any other alphabet and replace all. Click on replace all. Again, we select the range with the help of Ctrl plus C. Select a new location and right click on it. Choose paste spatial, then transpose. We click on replace button. Now find what? Do exactly opposite. Here we type YYY for the replace value. Replace units equal to. Then click replace all. Here it is and delete the old table. Here the transpose of the new table appear. If we change the value of the old table, it also affects the new table. For example, if we change 400 in lieu of 800, then total also change in our old table, and here also the change affects. So it is dynamic. This is for today. I will come back very soon with a new video. Until then, goodbye and thank you.